he has briefed me, primary briefing has done, but since besides that this investigation also is being done, so I cannot divulge much, but you have seen the sincerity of the government that in this incident, as soon as happened, we are not rushing only the IG of death the same night. We are rushing also, the DGP of the police also are going there to oversee, to see where, so that whoever has a hand in this type of thing, they could be caught immediately. And one more thing I just want to say, that from the government, if you recall, that 2 years back, or 2.5 years, I don't remember exactly, there is a committee to oversee if there is any illegal mining in that thing, headed by the district administration in coordination with the police. So as the government, it is time that to see how this committee is working, whether they are working or not, and if not, then they have to work vigorously. They have to raid all those places where is illegal mining. Periodic raid, if at all they get any information, should be done to curb this type of thing. I cannot verify that statement, but if they need to ask for my resignation as a BJP, so they should ask first the resignation of BS Yedurappa, where 6 people have died on the 21st of Jan 2021 in Shillong district, in the home district of the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, due to the blasting of some illegal transport of some gelatin stick or whatever maybe. So I think the BJP should introspect. Being a national party, it should not look only at Meghalaya. They should look nationally. It is a very big party. Instead of pointing finger, they should see also what happened in their party. See, it is not a question of declining. It's not a question. There is no question at all. I am here as a minister, being sponsored by the UDP, not by anybody. It is sponsored by UDP, and I am holding the portfolio. It is because of our Chief Minister. So these two will take decision of me, not Tom, Dick and Harry.